It is interesting to note that despite what a lot of people think, Mozart wasn't born a genius. He was given certain privileges, opportunities, and experiences that made him the musical genius we remember him as today. Hello and welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another amazing video for you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. Today, we're going to talk about what a genius is and how you can be one. Being a genius doesn't just mean having an IQ of 145. Being a genius means being exceptional in your field and being able to come up with excellent and creative ideas and make you worthy of being recognized and achieving great things. Being a genius doesn't simply mean being born with exceptional grades and distinguishing talents. Genius is not born with, genius is made. So, you don't have to worry if you weren't raised like one and failed to get straight A's in school. There are genius things you can start doing today to increase your intellect and creative power and rise to the level of genius that you want. Find your passion. A lot of us are forced to study something we don't have an interest in or have a job we don't even like. This causes the lack of creativity and eventually leads to one's unhappiness, which affects mental health as well. You can't be a genius in a field without being passionate about it. Remember the nerd kid who scored the highest back in school? Well, that was because he actually liked science and was passionate about his or her studies. Without passion, you'll be more than likely to put off learning, discovering, and doing what it takes to become a genius. It will feel more like a chore than something you want to do. And even when you do become exceptional in your field or discover original ideas that are celebrated, your enthusiasm will be minimal. Train daily. As we all know, practice makes perfect. Without practicing a task daily, one can't expect to be a natural at it. Do you know that Mozart received daily lessons from a young age? Many people argue that this is how he got to be so great, which isn't a far-fetched idea. According to Malcolm Gladwell, it takes about 10,000 hours of dedicated practice to reach a genius level ability in anything. Training every day will help you master a task. The effort you put in doing something does not go to waste, and the greater ideas you are exposed to, the more creative you will be, and that leads to a greater chance of recognition of your talent. Surround yourself with the best. Our surroundings have a big impact on us and shape us as a person and as a part of our society. You are the company you keep, something you might have heard before. And it's true. If you surround yourself with smart and hardworking people, chances are that they will inspire you to be that way as well. And the best thing about this is that you can learn from each other and help each other grow. Being alone, you can learn so many things from reading and getting experience. However, surrounding yourself with the best offers you a way to brainstorm with like-minded people, and brainstorming is a great way to come up with new insights and inspired ideas. Stay curious. Curiosity is what drives a person to ask more questions and learn more things. People who are naturally curious tend to learn and do a lot more than people who do not care. We are all born curious as kids, asking questions about everything we see. The important thing is to not let that child in us die and look at the world with just as much wonder as we did when we were little kids. Research has shown that curiosity and intelligence go hand in hand. Children who are naturally curious have higher IQs when they're older than children with lower levels of curiosity. Moreover, studies have shown that in adults, curiosity boosts intelligence and problem-solving skills. Stay committed. It is impossible to achieve a goal unless you stay persistent. Commitment doesn't get easy, but if you want to actually do something, you have to keep on working hard. It is only natural to face failures and obstacles while working through your way to your dreams, but these are the times when you have to stay grounded and committed to your dreams and goals. Therefore, write it down and create some serious genius goals for yourself. And don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends, family, and anyone who will listen to help you stay committed. Get proper sleep. Some of the most genius ideas were created after a good nap or a good night's sleep. While some people consider naps as a lazy person thing, they really are one of the habits that all successful people share. Sleeping helps you recollect your energy and you feel refreshed to tackle problems and see things from a new perspective. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you liked the video, and if so, don't forget to hit that like button. We'll see you in our next one.